in a moment of history. Once again, he, Hazat Bilal, was the first to call from the top of the Kaaba. Today, the call to prayer is still as it was in Bilal's time, just a beautiful human voice calling people to worship. This is the legacy of a personality beautified by faith and noble deeds. You are in my eyes. How else could I see the light? Hazat Bilal, such was his devotion to Islam, such was his piety, such was his spiritual attainment, that once the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "O Bilal, what special deeds you have done! I heard the sounds of your walking steps ahead of me in paradise."